Sup, this is Future Me here, saying hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the start of many interesting changes to the channel. Hopefully things will be a bit more consistent as time goes on, but this was just a spontaneous video I wanted to do because I was working on a cosplay makeup test, so hope you guys enjoy. So, here's the stupidity.
You know what? We're doing a random makeup video, so hi, we're propped up on my mirror, my really cheap little... Yeah. That is a setup. Hi! And this is what I'm using, an assortment of makeup and my lovely, lovely makeup bag. Because today, we are venturing into the world of beauty. And I've already started before recording, because I'm an idiot and decided last minute, I'm gonna make a video of this, because I do cosplay on TikTok. Got 32 on there. And one of my latest additions is Beetlejuice, and it's a femme version, even though I do plan on doing an actual regular version somewhere down the line, but for now, we're dipping into this. Going in with the fingers, because I'm lazy and cheap, and I'm not a professional makeup artist, so we're doing what we're doing. We're going with the flow. So I'm dipping into this lovely, like, yellow-green right here in the Take Me to Brazil palette. If I remember correctly, they made a newer one called Take Me Back to Brazil, and then we're gonna go into this. Just like patting these on to the lid. Yes, I already have my daily makeup on underneath, because again, I'm lazy. I'm not starting with a fresh base. I'm just starting over my normal makeup. Because that's how we do. That is how we do in my really lazy setup. And let's see, do I want to, I think, actually, you know what? Let's move on from this. Go into the BH Cosmetics, or it's BH or is it City Color? This is City Color. I have so many, so many just random palettes. And half these are probably old too, so sorry any actual beauty gurus watching this. I'm horrible. And I will be dipping my finger into this lovely green color called Elfie. Wonder if it was inspired by Elphaba. I'm just gonna pat that on again. Pat it in. So many beauty gurus are probably cringing, but this is how I work. Now we're gonna go into pineapple. Over the middle a little. Now let's just bask in what we've got so far. The really crappy cut for the wig line, because I just got the wig today. And let's dive into the most expensive palette I have, Blue Blood. Because the moment I saw this palette, I fell in love, and I got it on the launch day. Just happened to be a payday, and just look at that. That is beautiful. So, let's see. What am I gonna go into for this? And before I go into any of the brushes I use, these are just cheap from Amazon. I don't even know what each brush is for. I threw away the instructional book for this, so yeah. I just use what I use. So, you know what? Let's go in with Cremated. I feel like that's appropriate for Beetlejuice, right? Cremated. Pat that in, pat that in. Let's create some depth. Let's go under the eye. Let's keep digging in. Because this is a look. This is a look. We're going with it. And you guys are getting nice up close and personal with me. And yes, I am naturally pale. I glow in the dark. I went out today and I probably blinded everyone I walked by. But it's how things go. And I'm fine with it. So, ooh, you know what? Let's make things a little darker and go in with Undertaker. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. Get nice and deep. Totally, that works. That works. Probably going cross-eyed without even noticing it. Feels like it. So weird doing this without music on, but YouTube is a pain. So I don't want to get any copyright strikes because I am a small YouTuber. And it helps to have natural bags under the eyes because then it's just like, oh, that's a nice outline and it works perfectly. There you go. You know, let's actually get into my bags because this is Beetlejuice. It doesn't have to be pretty. Even if it's a femme version, it doesn't have to be pretty. So, yeah, let's just keep bringing more under because this is for TikTok, so it's gotta be able to show up on camera. You know what I mean? It's gotta work with the filters, man. It's gotta work with the filters. And you know what? Let's use this contour the nose because he's dead. He's a walking corpse. So if anything, the contour shouldn't be a normal skin tone. It should be something a bit more colorful. Or less colorful? Something not natural. Let's go with that. And let's go back into cremated. You know what? You start building up some contour with the same brush. Because we're just going for it. We are going for it. Probably should have done this before I put the wig on, but you know what? Why not? Why not? Going in with it. Oh god, it looks so bad on the viewfinder. Oh man, no way. Have OBS open over there? It's a look. Oh, this is gonna be fun with the pants on. Because we're working in joggers. You can't see it. Just off screen. Because again, last minute idea. So, ooh, hang on. Where are my other, yeah, my makeup brushes are behind me, so give me a second. You know what, let's go for this little thing. So this little thing is gonna be for contour, and we're gonna dip into power. Let's even this out a bit. Let's blend. When in doubt, blend it out. I feel like that's like the #1 makeup rule. When in doubt, blend it out. Like really get in there. Get rid of that harsh line. Sorta. Kinda. It's not as bad on this side, but you know what? If anything, it's better that it's not as bad on this side because the side that's going to be seen. This side's covered up, so it works. Okay, you know what? Get a little under here. It's going to be fun to clean off. Totally. And don't worry, eyeliner is on the way. That's going to be last. So I feel like maybe I should have inched it up a teensy bit. I have a brand new wig. And we're doing this. Brand new wig. 30 something bucks. But then again, this is actually, you know what? If anything, that works. That actually really does work. Huh. Go in like that. Still using power. Again, no clue what the actual name of this brush is. Just going with it because I can. Right now, I feel like we need to get some greens in here because, you know, he's a gross boy that's got green everywhere. So let's dip back into this. This is gonna be fun. We're gonna try to fit this brush into one of these little pans. Let's go with the mix of this green and maybe this one. We're winging it. This is cosplay test. Maybe like half in that, half in the other color. There you go. Totally, it'll work. Hopefully. Hopefully it'll give me the desired effect. Yeah, totally. Right. We're just gonna keep doing that until we get something that looks sort of good. I look bruised. Awesome. So again, we're gonna keep attempting. We're attempting to do something with this. It's a look. It is certainly a look. And it works. You know what? It works. we're leaving that. We're leaving it like that. Okay. Now let's add a little blacken. A little blacken around the eyes. Deepen it a bit more. Oh, there's a reason I don't use black eyeshadow. What the oh? Who is a panda tonight? Or raccoon? Yeah, probably raccoon. I mean, that's all Beetlejuice is. He's the trash panda of the dead. There you go. He's the trash panda of the dead. You know, let's get a little more. Let's get a little purple in there. Yeah, a little purple in there. They really bring out those bags. You just really accentuate them. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. And you know what? In true TikTok fashion, I feel like maybe we should dip into a little red. It's gonna look so bad. Okay, that. Nope. Fail it. Just veil the ever loving crap out of it. There. Now I just look bloated. Perfect. But you know what? That's what we should expect from a Beetlejuice costume. Because he is a walking corpse. He's a walking corpse who is gonna have some bank and highlight, because this is what I do normally with makeup anyway. We're going into Cullinan? I've never been able to pronounce that, but oh well. We're not gonna be able to talk anyways, because I'm horrible at speaking normally. Because I'm just that awkward. That awkward of a person. And we're just going in with the highlight. Note, I've been using the same couple brushes, because I'm just that lazy. And again, I don't want to have to clean off my normal everyday brushes. So these are just the brushes I don't use. Alrighty. Now that we've highlighted to the netherworld, let's attempt eyeliner. Shake it up. And this is NYX Professional Makeup, the Epic Ink Liner. Get ready for an epic fail. Because me and winged liner never goes well. And it's even better, this is on camera. Okay. Concentration. We need absolute silence for the wing. I think I have achieved it. I don't know. I feel like if I keep adding, I'm gonna make it worse. So there's that. You know what? I'll add the tear duct last. Because I am horrible again. We must silence the room. Which means, Phasma, I can hear your fan going nuts. No, you don't like when I make videos. But you know, I am very spare of the moment. I have done it! I don't want to move because I can feel it drying. It's still wet. This is fun. Okay, now the part that I hate, but I've been trying to do. How do people do this normally? I can barely do it for a video. Oh no! You know what? We'll leave the wipe too. We'll leave the wipe in. Because again, it could be messy. It's Beetlejuice. It can be as big of a mess as it wants. Because he is a walking mess. As am I. He is my spirit animal, or Patronus, or whatever is hip with the kids nowadays. Did I nail it? I think I nailed it. I think so. Which means all that's left is the other part I'm dreading. Which means quit chapstick. Because it is time for lipstick. This is Blackheart matte lipstick. I don't have to shake it, but I want to because I'm stalling. Because this is my least favorite part. Let's do this. I'm gonna overdo my lips because my lips are small and awkward. Okay. Also, fun fact, I have very shaky hands, so this can go down south very quickly. I got this. Hand shaking. Hand shaking. Good enough. Totally good enough. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, bottom left. Oh, so this is always the one swipe, so this is actually really good. Okay, second dip. Or double dipping. Everything is a-okay. I'm not freaking out inside. What? There's not a little alarm in my head saying stop. No. Okay, hang on. Why does this side look rounder? What? I keep forgetting how awkward my lip shape is. Are my lips really that uneven? My lips are really that crooked. Like my actual lips, not even the lipstick. Like my lips are just that. Screw it, but we're leaving it. We are leaving it. Beetlejuice is not perfect. No one is perfect. We should accept who we are. We're gonna let that dry. I'm gonna close my blinds because it's getting dark out. So, yeah. These are taking forever to dry. Completely random tune. Okay. Yeah, I think it's dry. It just feels tacky. So, we're gonna go back into that, city color palette, which is called Hypnotic. And provided this isn't too tacky, let's hope it's not, gonna dig back into Elfie with her fingers. Gonna pat it on. Ah, yeah. Bitch, that looks great. You can barely tell I'm a novice in makeup. Hell yeah. Hell to the yeah. Booyah. Look done, because I don't do false lashes. I mean, I have a pair, but the glue that came with them dried up immediately. So, we're dealing with this. This is the final look. So, yeah. I don't know what you guys think, but I think I did well. I mean, I think this turned out perfectly, considering the fact that this is the first time I've actually started doing this. So, yeah, this is a cosplay in progress. I recently only got the wig and the pants today, so, everything about this is brand new to me. So, yeah, hope you guys liked it. I do. I'm actually kind of digging the look, even though I have no clue what I did, and I'm going to be watching my own video to figure out how I did this. If you guys want to see more of this, I guess comment below? I don't know. Gaster92, Lady Shark, whatever you want to call me, because I have so many names at this point from here in TikTok. We'll see you in the next video. This is me signing out.